Show you our tooth extraction consent form. This is a template that's available on the iPeg system. You can add your company logo, you can set your primary colors, and this form is fully editable, so you can modify, add or delete any of the information on here. The idea of the template is to get you up and running as quickly as possible. This particular form has been designed to be sent to the client prior to the appointment, so the form can be sent by email, text, SMS, WhatsApp, any sort of electronic means where you can send a link. And the advantage of this is that the client or patient can complete the form prior to the appointment, so it saves time on the day. But of course, this form can also be completed face to face. You just simply have to open up the form on any device and you can complete it there and then. This form starts off going through the risks and the complications, so you've got all the lists here, and we then have the patient consent part. So this is the important part, so the patient has to review and read through all of the consent information. Once they've done that, they can enter their name, they can set their date of birth with this easy to use date picker. They can enter their email because they may want to receive a copy of the form for their records. And then they can sign electronically. Now, if they're doing this on their phone, which the vast majority of people will, they simply tap on the screen and they can sign with their finger. The same for a tablet or any touchscreen device. In this case, I'm on a desktop, so I can use my mouse, or if I'm on a laptop, I can use my mouse pad. So I simply click on the signature area, and then I literally just draw my signature. So you can do the same with your finger on your phone. Once you've added your signature, click Next, print your name. So we've got the printed name, the signature, and the date and the time that the form was signed. Once the form is complete, all they have to do then is hit the Submit button. If they want to send a copy to themselves, they can tick that option. And when you hit Submit, the form will automatically check that all of the mandatory fields have been completed in full. Once the form has been completed, you will get an email notification letting you know that that particular patient has submitted their form. You can view the form from that email, you can download it as a PDF, or you can log into the iPeg's portal and you can access the submitted forms there as well. The patient will also get an email notification if they've selected that option, and they too can then download a copy of that form as a PDF. So that is our tooth extraction consent form. If you want to test this template yourself, you can do so via the link below. And we have lots of other templates available on the iPeg system.